Xin chào, Ni Hao, hello and welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. Today we will do some pumpkin seed. We will bake. I don't know, have you ever tried pumpkin seed home bake? Usually after carving the pumpkins, I save the seed and I bake in the oven about 40 minutes. The first 20 minutes you have to turn and mix the seed, and the second time 20 minutes. So the pumpkin really easy brown. So just keep an eye on it. So this is the 4 pumpkin. This seed from 4 pumpkin I carving last night. So let's put on the baking seed. I forgot to tell you, I put some paper down here. The non-stick. And then also you can use your own seasoning, but today I will use some white pepper. I just use 1.5 teaspoon, some paprika, just 1.5 teaspoon, and some garlic. Also I use 1 teaspoon of salt. You can measure your seasoning and make sure not salty. And the oven I already turned on 350. Also you can use 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil or olive oil or vegetable oil, even butter. So let's see. And then you mix well. This pumpkin seed when we bake in the oven, or you can if you have air fryer, you can use air fryer too. We try to make healthy. So okay, mix well. And today I will put some hot water from the sink under the pan, so when you bake, keep cooking moist and yummy pumpkin seed. So not let this pumpkin seed burns. So I will put some water under. So I will see you in 40 minutes. If we need more time, I will let you know. Hey, after 20 minutes, I take it out and I use a spatula and let it mix. After you mix, you just even. So don't let the seed sit over another seed. Maybe. And then you can bake 20 small minutes. And if not, see that, oh, not done yet, you can, bake 5 more minutes and just keep an eye on it so the pumpkin seed not burn. See you in 20 minutes. Hi. After the second 20 minutes and totally 40 minutes, my pumpkin seed look like this. I want brown a little bit, so maybe I put back in the oven about 10 minutes. So I will see you a little bit. Okay, after 10 minutes done, check it out. Up. I think this is what you're looking for. So this pumpkin seed really good when you snack and healthy snack. So, and I also want to tell you the pumpkin seed after I carving and I say the seed the big one. And the big one usually tastes boring when you use for cook a soup. Um, I I recommend you, if you love a fresh pumpkin soup, you should use this small pumpkin. So small pumpkins usually have more taste. So use small pumpkin to make a fresh soup, and big pumpkin say the seed for pumpkin seed. So hopefully you try it and tell me how it tastes. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.